Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mister. Let me introduce myself. My name is Cut Rizkina Akbar Sarkosi with NIM 16026244136. And in this video, I want to tell you about my story during the competition. My personal taekwondo injury story. This is the story of my personal experience with an injury I sustained while competing in taekwondo in Bandung back in 2017. Specifically, it was 8 years ago when I was in the 8th year grade of junior high school. The serious injury happened right after I entered the arena for my match. I faced my opponent, and as soon as the match started, the atmosphere grew intense. It was in that moment that my opponent committed a foul. He kicked my knee, which should not have a scoring point in the match. From that point on, I could not get up to continue the fight because my right leg was no longer capable of supporting my own weight. As a result of this incident, I was forced to find a way to walk normally again. Following the event, I was declared the loser, but still won three place at the regional level. Immediately after the match, I was taken to the hospital for an MRI, magnetic resonance imaging, which is like an X-ray result for the bones and muscle in the leg. Based on the result, I was told I needed surgery very quickly so my leg could be treated and I could walk normally again. On a Thursday in 2017, I made the decision to undergo surgery on my leg. The doctor explained that my ligament was torn, or an ACL injury. That was what prevented me from walking normally and caused difficulty in doing anything. The surgery processed, and Alhamdulillah, praise be to God, it went smoothly. I then began outpatient treatment, which included physiotherapy at the hospital. As time went by, my leg gradually started to recover. Although I had to use a crutch wherever I went, whether to school or other events, I used the crutch for 3 months alongside the physiotherapy session. 2 years after the injury, my leg was finally able to walk, run, and jump and normally. The true noticeable recovery really set in after 2 years. The following year, I was able to resume my training activities, participate in competition, and start winning champions again. Alhamdulillah, despite that injury, I managed to achieve national and international level taekwondo championship in 2021. That was truly an accomplishment I had always dreamed of. In competitive sport, there are always many good and bad things. As an athlete, I must be able to achieve the high risks in the long run. My failure in 2017 was not the end of my struggle. Instead, it was experience that must be embraced, not to be repeated, and was turned into a motivation for training. This means that giving in doesn't mean losing, but rather giving in can be a strength to achieve greater victory in the future. whether in maintaining relationship, avoiding prolonged disputes, or as a form of worship if done with the right intention. Believing in the process and the result is essential so that one can be motivated in everything they do. Okay, thank you, Mister. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.